In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, connect, and consume information. As a result, businesses have recognized the immense potential of social media as a marketing tool to reach their target audience effectively. However, with so many platforms available and ever-changing algorithms, it can be overwhelming for businesses to navigate the world of social media marketing successfully. One common debate that arises in this realm is whether businesses should focus on paid or organic social media strategies. While both approaches have their merits individually, a balanced approach that combines both paid and organic efforts can lead to optimal results. In this article, we will explore 3 reasons why striking a balance between paid and organic social media is key for business success. Amplify your reach with targeted advertising. Paid advertising on social media platforms allows you to reach your desired audience more efficiently than relying solely on organic methods. With advanced targeting options offered by platforms like Facebook Ads or Instagram Ads Manager, you can narrow down your audience based on demographics such as age, location, interests, and behaviors. This level of precision ensures that your ads are seen by people who are most likely interested in your products or services. By investing in targeted advertising campaigns alongside your organic content strategy, you amplify your reach significantly and increase brand exposure among potential customers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Drive immediate results with paid social media. While building an engaged community through organic efforts takes time and consistent effort, often months or even years, paid social media offers immediate results. By allocating budget towards promoting specific posts or running sponsored campaigns tailored for conversions, such as lead generation forms, you can generate instant traffic to your website or landing pages. For example, if you're launching a new product or running limited-time promotions, sales, paid advertising can help you create a sense of urgency and drive immediate action from your target audience. This combination of organic and paid efforts ensures that you have a steady stream of traffic to your website while also nurturing long-term relationships with your organic followers. Maximize engagement and visibility with organic social media. While paid social media provides quick results, it's equally important to invest in building an authentic connection with your audience through organic efforts. Organic content includes regular posts, stories, videos, or any form of non-promotional content that resonates with your target market. Organic social media allows you to showcase the human side of your brand by sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, customer testimonials, or thought-provoking industry insights. By consistently delivering valuable content that engages and entertains your audience without explicitly selling to them, you build trust and loyalty over time. Moreover, organic social media plays a crucial role in boosting visibility on platforms' algorithms. When users engage, like, share, comment with your organic posts regularly, it signals to the platform that they find value in what you share. As a result, the algorithm is more likely to show your future posts higher up in their feeds, increasing visibility organically without needing additional ad spend. In conclusion, finding success on social media requires striking the right balance between paid and organic strategies. While targeted advertising helps amplify reach and generate immediate results, organic efforts are essential for building genuine connections with customers and maximizing engagement over time. By combining these 2 approaches effectively, businesses can leverage the strengths of both methods for optimal outcomes. So whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance existing social media marketing efforts, remember, balance is key.